100 shot. That's it. 100 shot. Run 160.
Hey.
Will got so damn happy with his, he popped his tire. You didn't.
Ain't no Harley, is it? That is a dome piston. Hold on. God almighty, check that out. Boy, he wild, ain't he?
Hell yeah.
Well, I tell you what, that little son of a gun nasty, boy.
Street sweeper.
Little street sweeper. Must have went to go see John and got him to do that exhaust. Yeah.
The old single
Got a posi that motherfucker.
Hell yeah.
So you got a jack, I'm gonna jack that bitch up where it take my time.
Yeah. Shit. I don't know, man. You probably ought to leave that motor in the damn in the S10 right there instead of putting it in the 4-wheel drive truck.
6.0 in that thing.
It needs 100 shot. That's it. 100 shot.
I tell you what, that motherfucker's right peppy. What you think?
For what it is for. 60 over.
Hell yeah.
He lucked out on that one for having 3 grand in it. I can tell you that.
Hey, that ain't bad at all. And me and you both have spent a hell of a lot more and got a hell of a lot less.
I'll leave that motor with some nitrous on it. Let it run.
Hey, look, that'd be the perfect thing to have on damn Friday night.
I ain't lying. You get a good rear, put in it some tires, it'd be fun as hell. It's the furthest he's drove it yet.
Oh, shit. Yeah, that thing, boy, I don't know. It only had 3 G's in it, I think.
Not even that.
Well,
You want 3 grand for the dirt bike.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah.
No brainer.
Not bad at all.
You gotta rotate it because that right there can do many New Year's burnouts anymore.
Let's check that tire out right there. You can damn near see the air in it. Hell yeah. What do you think, Jack? What do you think?
Bang. On a water pump.
Let's see what we got here. All right. Disclaimer. All this shit was like this when he got it. But damn, it runs like a damn rape date, so that's all that matters. Oh shit, that actually, damn, to be honest, I think somebody may actually pay good money for that header right there like that. Oh. Said it's got solid motor mounts.
Yep. I seen that earlier.
Hey, hey, there you go. That's what you need to put across the windshield. Jangling, jangling. Look at that. That damn shifter for my car. Shit. That ain't that bad at all. This truck must have used to be a 5-speed truck. Yeah, I see it, yep. Hey, go get you some of that damn that Rust-Oleum in the can. And
the can.
yeah,
Purple and blue.
Yeah. Shit, yeah, and finish painting the whole truck black like that. Yeah. Yeah, hell yeah. I damn paint the rest of it black like that right there. Or just not fucking worry about it. Hell yeah.
Backyard budget meals. You got the little halos, LEDs.
Hey, at least you'll be able to see. What you think, Sweet Pea?
Sorry, 470.
Paint that one piece on the hood silver.
Yeah, that like the little trim piece right there at the bottom.
I like the front end of these.
What do you think about lowering it a little bit in the front?
Yeah, it's gonna get a whole new suspension. That ain't gonna happen. And she can't.
It was low in the back when he got it, like low.
Yeah.
Yeah, the dude redid everything. He put all new coils and struts and ball joints and all on it.
Shit.
Yeah, he raised it back up to that. We're gonna set her back down and folate this motherfucker.
Still running through? I'm shocked being 60 over runs 160 degrees.
Oh
I
yeah.
got thermostat in or not, but
Well, good thing it ain't like a small block 400. Them bitches already have thin cylinder walls for the
I
most
told Josh
part.
when he said it was 460 over, I said, you better be glad it ain't a Ford. They're going to knock me roadworthy. Ah, like it. So what you got in, I love it. I do love it.
Well, I tell you what, it's a shame you don't live right up the road no more.
I ain't lying. That's so much. Will got so damn happy with his, he popped his tire. You didn't. Not impressive. I don't know if your goddamn trailer tires will fit on the back. High gear then. Run 160. Start to click that bitch up in high gear right there. Glad we did get it to walk home.
Ain't no Harley, is it?
Use some goddamn plugs in it, bitch. Probably run with it.
It probably would. Let's see. Hopefully this is at the bottom of the... Wait a minute. Hold on. That ain't no damn dome piston. That's
No, sir.
Wait a minute. Yeah, no, that ain't no dome piston.
That's a flat
350.
Wait a minute. No, hold on.
Get
That,
the line in right there.
no, that's not a... No, wait a minute. That is a dome piston. Hold on for a second. Yeah, it is. That's not a recess right there.
No, it's got a hump right there.
Yeah, that is.
It is, ain't it?
It is a dome there. Ain't that something?